Smooth Body Exfoliating Kit is a 3-step retexturing AHA system designed for bumpy and dry skin. Featuring a scrub, mitt and a lotion, this powerful trio of products evens out the skin's surface texture, helping to address the signs of keratosis pilaris, as well as ingrown hairs, uneven fake tan and areas of dry skin, creating a smooth canvas for true body skin confidence. We wanted to address a common body skin concern that affects many of us, keratosis pilaris, or KP for short. A skin condition which affects approximately 40% of adults, sometimes referred to as chicken skin, KP causes painless small bumps and mostly affects the arms and thighs, making them look and feel rough and bumpy. KP is caused by an excess of keratin protein, which forms plugs blocking hair follicles. Smooth Body Exfoliating Kit takes a combination approach to treating the signs of KP through exfoliation and moisturization. First up in the kit is our Smooth Body Scrub, a rich, creamy scrub that combines mechanical and chemical exfoliants to start the smoothing process. Also in the kit is a travel-friendly exfoliating body mitt, which gently buffs away at dead skin cells for on-the-go use or to enhance the effects of the scrub. To finish, we have Smooth Body Lotion, an intensely moisturizing body lotion to lock in hydration while maintaining the exfoliation effects, leaving skin silky and replenished. Together, the 3-step kit works to quickly revitalize rough, dry and bumpy skin, leaving the skin surface feeling soft, sleek and smooth. Smooth Body Kit combines high exfoliation with ultra nourishment to target the signs of KP and dryness. The scrub uses multi-weight mechanical exfoliants, natural pumice and bamboo microparticles in combination with 10% lactic acid to remove dead skin cells, while the creamy moringa butter base gives the skin a soft finish. Smooth Body Mitt, on the other hand, provides a targeted approach to removing dry, flaky patches of skin, gently removing blocked hair follicles to prevent the formation of keratin plugs. Finally, Smooth Body Lotion harnesses the powers of a trio of chemical exfoliators, which promote renewal and repair. 7% urea, 2% lactic acid, and 2% salicylic acid. This network is blended with an ultra nourishment complex, consisting of moringa butter, squalane, shea butter, and multi-weight hyaluronic acid. Together, they replenish the skin barrier and soften keratin plugs so that they are easier to remove. At Medik8, we believe you don't have to choose between results and a great experience. And with Smooth Body Exfoliating Kit, you really do get both. This is a powerful yet gentle trio of products, taking a synergistic approach with a combination of tried and tested technologies. The results are fast and truly noticeable, but without irritation. And thanks to high levels of soft, nourishing butters and emollients, the formulas glide over the skin surface on application and leave the complexion instantly soft and silky. Smooth Body is versatile in that it can be used for many different concerns. First and foremost, the kit was designed with keratosis pilaris in mind, as regular gentle exfoliation of the top skin layer will help to loosen and remove plugs which may have formed. It can also be used for very dry skin, as it works to minimize transepidermal water loss. Smooth Body goes on to address ingrown hairs and also to prepare the skin for fake tan application, or even remove any unwanted streaks. Anyone looking to transform their body skin from winter to summer ready will benefit from this effective trio. Use Smooth Body Scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Before showering or bathing, massage in circular motions over dry skin and leave on for up to 5 minutes before rinsing off. Use Smooth Body Mitt with or without the scrub. Apply to dry skin for a more intense exfoliation or damp for a gentler effect. Carefully buff the skin in light circular motions. And every morning and evening, massage Smooth Body Lotion using gentle circular motions and follow with sunscreen when required. As always, we recommend a patch test of each product prior to first use.